my channel often. Thank you very much. First, we will grow baby bell peppers from seeds very simply. That is, put soil in the nursery pot, spread the bell pepper seeds evenly, and cover with a thin layer of soil on top. Remember to spray water evenly and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. After 5 days of incubation, the bell pepper seeds have sprouted. Now we can start planting them. Today I will use the top of a 20-liter can to grow chili peppers. First, I will punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging the plant, and use hooks to hang the pots. Families without large gardens should take advantage of small balcony space to grow plants using this method, which is very effective. Planting trees near the house should use organic fertilizers that are not harmful to people. I use vermicompost mixed with soil to plant trees. Did you know that worm castings not only provide nutrients for plants, but are also highly antibacterial, pest-resistant, and environmentally friendly? Once I have planted my bell peppers, I will use coconut milk to water the plants. Coconut milk has nutritional value and is immune to some root diseases. When the plant is 10 days old, it is healthy and has roots. At this time, the plant needs stable nutrition to grow, so we need to fertilize it. For me, using organic fertilizer is always a top priority, so I will fertilize and water to help the fertilizer provide nutrients faster. Please note that when the plant is about 20 days old, it is the stage of preparing for flowering and fruiting, so we promote the growth of the plant by providing additional nutrients to the plant. To help the tree stand up to the weather, I will first add soil to the tree. This also helps the tree metabolize. And I always fertilize and water the plants to help the plants have stable nutrition to grow and flower. When the bell pepper plant is 1 month old, it has flowered and produced young fruit. Therefore, the plant is very susceptible to pests and diseases on the leaves. Therefore, at this stage, in addition to fertilizing and watering, I also prevent pests and diseases for the bell pepper plant. To prevent and repel pests for plants, I use one branch of ginger mixed with water and spray it evenly on the plant so that the plant is healthy, grows, and produces as many large fruits as possible. It's great that I only need a small space to grow bell peppers with large, ripe fruits to help my family improve their spice supply. Let's harvest bell peppers together. Don't you think it's cool? Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.